15 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor, moving southwest at 15 knots. Hazard, waterspouts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. The showers will remain over mainly open waters north of Winthrop Harbor. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.